Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. We're back on the kitchen extension and today's D-Day to finish the kitchen extension off, also to finish the plastering today as well. So yeah, we've got a lot to do. The guys already started plastering. I put the angle bead on for them. I'm going to quickly show you what they're doing now. Right, we got Kenneth on the trowel. Ken versus Ken. So we have competition today, man, or what? Ken doing his work twice there. Part 2. Yeah. Well, anyway, it's not that much to do anyway, so guys, don't rush, take your time. Yeah.
Practice, yeah?
Yeah. It's more about putting it on nicely and putting it on right. Take your time. So Ken's doing that one, Ken's doing this one. You'll take it around here. Around to that side there. That's all they got to do. Same thing, right up. That's it. Yeah, cool. Right, so now, where's your bracket? Where is the bracket? Yeah, give me that. So, let's have a look at that. Yeah, it doesn't matter which way. So yeah, just put it like that. And you want that jammed up to the ceiling. And you want it in between, it should line up in between those lines.
Like that?
Yeah, does it line up in the lines?
No. Wait, is it these two front corners or these two out?
I'm not sure. Which one's lining up?
Well, let me
In or out?
Let me see the two inner corners. Neither really. Neither really.
Should work out central anyway.
Let's
see
just
that
leave
side.
it even.
Yeah, you just basically want to even. Yeah, about there's right. Yeah, about there's right. Yeah. Other thing you could do is, but it's a bit difficult now. The center line of that, you'd run it up the wall, straight up the wall, and then that center line should line up with that hole. Yeah. So just mark the two outside holes, and then we'll drill and screw those in. Yeah, cool. So we just cover that with a sheet, and then we can drill those two holes in and put some plugs and screws. Yeah, just gotta keep going. Just keep going. What do you think I'll put first in? Remember, they'll go too deep as well, yeah? You remember that's the screw length. That's the screw length you're using. No, the screw length you're watching. The length of the screw, not the plug. Yeah. Yeah.
And then that's gonna raise up.
Slide up here and then we screw it into those little screws. Yeah. So I'll help you with that, yeah.
You know, no break for you, you know. Yeah.
All man working and you serving all man.
Yeah, I want to do a break for you.
Yeah.
One man there waiting until they mixing more time and stand up so you know on the food.
Yeah.
And when man
The guys are done. Look at this.
Like that, right? I try my best with it.
Tried your best, Ken. Let's have a look at Ken's side. This was Kenneth and Namdi. Kenneth and Namdi's side. Check out their edges. Very well done. And Ken did this side on his own. Mr. Kent. Well done, Ken. Clean up his edges.
Next day, you come with 2 more.
That's it. So the guys are ready to come in and do their prepping and paint. So me and Tristan be working on a couple of things. We put in some trims here. There were some old trims on the door which we broke off. We put some new ones on. You can see our nice professional holding mechanism that we did there. So that's that done. We're taking it all the way around into here, all the way around there. So all we've got to do is now silicone all around that. And then we've done this. This was a nightmare because the ceiling is just leaning. So we've got to do some sort of trim around that or something. Crooked ceilings, you know. This is all done. We put the door back on here now. That's all done. So we are literally almost finishing here. Just a little clean up to do. Put these sockets on and start doing some silicone. Hi guys, so this is the end of the day. So guys have gone home. I'm still here. Just doing the last little tidy up. As you can see, the guys have done a great job in here. All the plastering is done. This is ready now for the boys to come in and paint. They've all done a clean up as well. Also, customer changed the lights, so we had to do a bit of filling here because the old light fittings, obviously we skimmed around them and they were larger than the new ones. So the boys have done a little bit of filling there as well. They'll just sand that down when they come back before they do the painting. The kitchen is pretty much done. It's pretty much done all the siliconing and stuff. And you guys can see what it's looking like. Did the trim, silicone around those trims as well. Just doing a bit of a clean up. Just a little bit of silicone just to do around the floor. Otherwise, we are in here. The cooker hood is in. The boys also went over the ceiling again. There was a few little bits here and there where the paint was really reacting a little bit. So the boys put a little bit of filler on it. When they come back to do the painting next week, they're going to hit the ceiling with one more coat. And that will be it. Hi guys, so we are done, or everybody's gone home. I am just getting ready to leave. It's almost 6 o'clock. Yeah guys, we're pretty much finished. We've got all the plastering finished. The kitchen is pretty much done. The boys will be back here sometime next week. This place is really hot. It's drying out really quick. So the guys will be back here next week to transform the whole way. They're going to paint this, you know how they do their thing, Namdi and Ken. So I shall make sure I get some update video on the finished product. But yeah guys, that is it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe, and check out tomorrow's video. We'll be somewhere else. We actually, I think we have a final inspection on the timber frame garden house. Customer went away, so we're just waiting for him to come back this week. So we should be having a final inspection down there. The boys are doing some painting there as well. They're now painting the hallway for the customer as well. We did the front room the other day as well, and we did some extra flooring for them. So we did a couple of other bits there. But yeah, we'll be back there tomorrow. So hopefully we'll catch up with you then. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys soon. Take care.